So how are you feeling?
Just a little bit nervous, but I believe that God gave me this natural talent.
You can do this. I believe in you. Do it your best. I know you can.
He looks like a star out there. Look at him. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What's your name, please?
My name is Siuleo Vitali,
And where are you from, Sibleo?
originally from Samoa,
Okay, cool. Nice one.
Talofa.
So what do you do for a day job in Auckland?
I work at Bunnings, Glenfield, as a meet and greet. Ta-da! My talent is to make people welcome, just to say hello, say thank you, and to make them feel comfortable to come in our store and, buy some more. Now, today, this is the moment for me to show that I've got something special.
For Bunnings to Boatway.
Can you talk us through what you're going to do today?
I'm going to sing a Tom Jones song called Delilah.
Good luck, huh? Have fun.
Thank you. Thank you.
I did not expect that. That was incredible, man.
Thank you.
I thought you should be going back to Bunnings and asking for a raise.
I was like, oh God, you're gonna be like so karaoke with this thing. But then all of a sudden you had just like this massive voice and presence on stage. You're just like this, you're like a true performer. I'm gonna say yes, definitely.
Bunnings is very, very lucky to have you, and probably not for that much longer. So I say yes.
I think you should go back to work and say, hey, I've got 3 big yeses, I'm through to the next round of New Zealand's Got Talent. Thank you, mate.